Welcome aboard Grandeur of the Seas. We are here for 9 days. As you walk down the hallway on the 7th floor all the way to the back of the ship, and you round this corner, over here by itself is our room number 7650, and this is a junior suite that we're excited to show you. Okay, so when you first walk in, we have the bathroom on this side and the closet on this side. On this side, we also have a full-length mirror, so you can check yourself out before you leave the room. This is the main switch for the suite, and then this bottom light switch is for the bathroom. So let's go check out the bathroom. Kind of a small junior suite bathroom, but it does have all the pieces. We have obviously a sink. We've got a shelf below, trash can. We've got the flush. We have a bathtub. We have all of the more specialty soaps, Salt and Breeze, shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. We've got the shower head that comes down. We have a clothesline, which I'm always excited about. So we have 4 little cubbies. There's also this drawer that we're not using, and another little cabinet that we're not using. But hey, it's always good to have more toilet paper. So we have supposed to be 4 hooks, but there are little places I'm noticing that Grandeur is showing its age a little, but we do still have 3 working hooks. So let's go in the closet, because this is one of my favorite parts of this room. Me turn on the light switch. As you can see, we have really adequate storage. We have long hanging storage here. We have a shelf we have Marshall's shoes mostly there. We have 3 drawers here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubbies, which actually are pretty deep because they're in the corner. And then we have double hanging space here. In addition, we have 2 drawers here, which we're not actually using. And then, as per usual, I've put up these little magnetic hooks so we can sort of organize, hang things on. So I really like this closet. Next up, we have the bedroom area. This is your typical Royal Caribbean 2 queens pushed together to make a king. It can be separated if you need it separated. The other thing I wanted to point out is the location of the thermostat. So to control the temperature in the room, you have the colder, warmer dial, which is around the corner from the closet, right beside the bed. We also have 2 nightstands, one on either side, with 2 drawers each. There's also a reading light with a little switch here, and we have that again on both sides of the bed. We have a long shelf here. We haven't used this, but it's here. I do want to point out that on this side of the bed, there's also the main switch to turn off all the lights in the room. We have a small-ish sofa, but I really like this coffee table. Sometimes in rooms you get this little tiny coffee table and it feels like it's gonna break or something, but this is really substantial. I like it. I had my planner spread out yesterday working, and it was fantastic. So up here we have some storage. We have 2 shelves and then kind of a half around the safe. Marshall's tech shelf, my tech shelf. We're a little messy this trip. And then we have our sunscreen, towel clips. Also, we have the binoculars, which this has been working out pretty well because we're hugging some islands. So it's exciting to see what we can see. So that's that. And then we have a TV that this pulls out pretty far actually. So I like that. And then down below we have our little fridge cooler situation. This actually keeps our drinks very cold, I've noticed. So I'm pleased with that. We have a vanity slash desk area with 3 drawers on either side. The first drawer here has the blow dryer. Again, here's a point where it's kind of showing its age a little bit inside the drawer. This ship was built in 1996, so it's not brand new anymore. In here, as is typical, you have your hang tags if you want to order room service for breakfast. And then you also have your full room service menu, which you can order 24 hours a day if you want. So we have that. There's also a vanity light here. Because this is a junior suite, we have an espresso machine or coffee machine. Down here you have a Euro outlet, an American outlet, and a second American outlet. We can just use our Euro adapter here and we'll be fine to plug in all of our devices. This is actually pretty decent storage. We're not using it because we don't have a purpose for it, but if you had more than 2 people in here, I could definitely see where that would be quite useful. And then on this side, we also have storage. So I have some sunglasses and products here. And then we have, again, 3 more drawers. Not using that one or the bottom one. So you can see how much adequate storage space there is in this room. The chair is fine. Nothing special, but what is special is it's an aft balcony, which if you've watched our channel, you know we just love an aft view. I call these the tail feathers of the ship. So let's go out and I will show you our sizable balcony. I want to point out this is on a corner, as you saw when we came down the hall. So we've got the whole corner. Here it is in all its glory. There's so much space out here. Right now we have 2 sitting chairs and a table. I would prefer if this was a taller table if we were eating breakfast here, but so far we haven't needed it. And then we have 3 lounge chairs, which Marshall has positioned it, one of the chairs like this, because he was laying out here in the sun earlier. He actually fell asleep for a few minutes. And then another table for holding your soda or water. So this is just amazing. And today we are hugging the coast of Puerto Rico. I think it's on that side. We're about 25 miles from Puerto Rico right now. Tomorrow will be our first stop in St. Martin. We are going on a catamaran, so we're really excited about that, and we will film it for you, so stay tuned for that video as well. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.